Good morning, student. I am Pratyush Kumar Sergio. I'll discuss about scalar and vector, and this is my third lecture. Already I have discussed about two lecture. In last class, I'll discuss about some important point which are related to the vector. In that point, the first point is the rotation of vector by 2 pi angle, 2 pi radian. At that case, the vector whose direction remains same along in initial direction, whose direction as like as initial direction. Okay, তাহলে ফার্স্ট পয়েন্টে আমি কোন ডিসকাশন করছিলে, if the vector rotate through a certain angle that is 360 degree or 2 pi radian, at that case the direction of vector same as like as before direction. Clear? ପୂର୍ବରୁ जो डायरेक्शन रे थिला जदि आमे 360 डिग्री घुरेबा ताहले भी से डायरेक्शन रे ही रहिबो. दिस इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट. सेकंड पॉइंट होची कोन, टू वेक्टर. क्लियर प्ले. Second point is, if a vector which is lying in a particular direction that becomes shifted in a parallel direction. Okay, suppose this is the vector which that is a vector which is represented in a particular direction that becomes shifted in a parallel direction. Okay, so there is a shifting of vector from one point to another point in a parallel way, like that. This is the parallel way, this is the parallel way, and that is based on that problem. Okay, now that becomes discussed below on that lecture. Clear? And third thing is, two vectors should be create a smaller angle. Okay, whenever two vector whose tail points are connected at a particular point. Okay, at that case two vectors are create a smaller angle. Okay, जदि दिटा वेक्टर सेमानंकर टेल पॉइंट गोटे पॉइंट रे सेमाने जॉइन करंती. देखो, एटा गोटे वेक्टर सेमानंकर जदि टेल पॉइंट को गोटे पॉइंट रे जॉइन करंती, से समय रे दीटा वेक्टर सब बेले स्मॉलर एंगल जनरेट करिवे. ए तीनटा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को नै कि आज आमे किछि प्रॉब्लम को डिस्कशन करिबा. तो फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज, फाइंड द एंगल बिटवीन. दिस इज द represented diagram. From represented diagram I'll discuss about some problem like this. Find the angle between a vector and b vector. Second thing is a vector c vector, and third thing is b vector c vector. Okay, now I'll solve that problem. What is the angle between a vector and b vector? Okay, so this is the a vector and this is the b vector. Okay, but a vector whose head point along in that direction, but b vector whose head point is towards origin. This is the origin if you represent. So b vector whose direction towards the origin, but a vector whose direction acting away from the origin. माने origin रू बाहर को जाउची, ये भीतर को आसुची. तो ए जगह रे आमे के भेले आरो एंगल काढी परिबा नाही ए वेक्टर बी वेक्टर. मु एबु तुमु कहितली कोन, टू वेक्टर whose tail points are connected at a particular point. At that case we have to calculate a smaller angle, otherwise we could not consider, or otherwise we could not calculate this smaller angle in between two vector. Okay, so at that case if you represent, so this is the diagram. So when we consider, so this is a vector whose tail point is there, that is create an angle 40 degree, a vector. But b vector which is shifted, along in that direction. Okay, so sorry, so this is the v vector. Okay, at that case both tail point of a vector and head point of b are joined at a particular point. At that case we could not calculate the angle between a vector and v vector. So how to calculate between a vector and b vector their angle? So we use second relation. So what is second relation? Now we shifted the vector along parallelly. So आमे जदि parallelly shifted करिबा तार तो कोन ए वेक्टर को आमे कोन करिबा एक्सटेंडेड करिबा. ओके पिले जदि ए वेक्टर को आमे एक्सटेंड करिबा तो ये कोन हला parallelly shifted हेला. ए जो तार हेड पॉइंट ता कोडी पडासला एडी पडासला. तो आमे जानि छे एटा केते डिग्री अछि? एटा होछि 45 डिग्री अछि. क्लियर? जदि एटा 45 डिग्री हुए ए टोटल एंगल ता केते डिग्री पिले? 180 डिग्री. केते डिग्री? 180 डिग्री. एटा जदि 45 हला तो ए एक्सिस और ए एक्सिस मध्य केते डिग्री? 90 डिग्री. जदि एटा 90 डिग्री हुए एति के हला 40 डिग्री. ए टोटल एंगल हला तमरो 90 डिग्री. ताहले ए बळका एंगल केते हला पिले? 50 डिग्री. क्लियर? जदि सेटा 50 डिग्री हुए ताहले एटा 50 एटा 40 एटा हला 45 डिग्री. ताहले 90 ये हला 45 केतला 135. ओके जदि 135 हला आमे जदि 180 रु डिग्री रु 135 को जदि फेडिबा आ बळगा केते रहला 45 डिग्री रहला. क्लियर? केते डिग्री रहला प्ले 45 डिग्री रहला. तो एंगल टा केते हबो 45 डिग्री हबो. सॉरी केते हबो 45 कहीं फेड दो न 5 18 3 10 5 5 17 17 13 होला 45 डिग्री हला. सो एटा 45 डिग्री. ओके एटा हला 40 डिग्री. काहे कि वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द एंगल बिटवीन a vector and b vector. So this is the angle, so that we have to calculate this is the angle. So a vector and b vector their angle equal to, because this is the tail point, we know that the third point becomes the two tail points are connected by the two vector. At that case we have to calculate the smaller angle. So this is the smaller angle. So kete asla 40 degree plus 45 degree. So kete asla 75 degree. So angle between a vector and b vector is kete 75 degree. Clear पिले? ओके देखो पिले माउथरे कोइ दोछ एटा हला b vector रो डायरेक्शन टा कोड अछि टुवर्ड द ओरिजिन, बट a vector रो डायरेक्शन टा कोड अछि अवे फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन रु दूरे जाइछि a vector रो डायरेक्शन टा, किंतु b vector रो डायरेक्शन टा पाखे आसी. तो मु कोन कहली केबे हेले हेड पॉइंट सहित टेल पॉइंट गोटे पॉइंट रे केबे हेले कनेक्टेड हेबेनी, जो द्वारा कि हमें केबे हेले एंगल कैलकुलेट कर परबे. हमें एंगल कैलकुलेट करिया पई दीटा वेक्टर रो ओरिजिन को न और दीटा वेक्टर रो टेल पॉइंट को नबा. सो टेल पॉइंट पाइबा पई मु कोन कली ए वेक्टर को बी वेक्टर को मु कोन कली शिफ्टेड करली पैरेलली. सो दिस इज एटा गोटे वेक्टर आर शिफ्टेड पैरेलल माने होची कोन ताको एक्सटेंड कर देली. तो ये जति डायरेक्शन थिला ये सति डायरेक्शन पळला. क्लियर प्ले? तो मु जानिली ए टोटल एंगल टा ए वेक्टर को जतल शिफ्ट कली ए टोटल एंगल केतला 180 डिग्री. ऑलरेडी 50 डिग्री अछि. ए जो एक्सिस ए एक्सिस मध्ये टोटल एंगल केते 90 डिग्री. देखो डायरेक्शन देइछि 90 डिग्री. एटला 45 डिग्री. टोटल मिसले 135 ए टोटल एंगल होछि 180. 180 रो 135 गोल केतला 45 डिग्री. एति एंगल केतला 45 डिग्री. तो एटा 45 डिग्री एटा हला 40. तो केते आसला सॉरी केते आसला 85 डिग्री. केते आसबिले सॉरी 85 डिग्री. Clear? So the angle between A and B is 85 degree. Clear? Similarly, we have to calculate A vector, C vector. How to calculate A vector, C vector? Please note it and draw the diagram. Clear? After that, I will erase. Now second thing is, now whenever we calculate A vector C vector, so at that case we have to calculate, so easily we have to calculate A vector C vector. How to calculate? Because A vector which is acting away from the origin and also C vector acted away from the origin. So there is a angle between A vector C vector which is minimum or smaller, so that can be represented as, so that angle is 45 degree, okay, and total angle is 90 degree, so that angle is also 45 degree. Clear? So there is the angle between A vector and C vector, so that is 45 plus 40, so 45 degree plus 40 degree, 85 degree. Clear? So angle between A vector C vector is also 85 degree. Clear? Now we have to calculate B vector C vector. Clear? B vector C vector. Okay. So whenever we calculate B vector and C vector, okay, whenever we calculate, we have to calculate the A vector, C vector and B vector. Both are create 45 degree to that given component. So A component पे ये create कला 45 degree, A component पे ये create कला 45 degree. किंतु चिंता करो, A origin रे A vector head point जे touch करुची, किंतु A origin रू आर tail point touch होची. तो मु कौन कहली, केबे हेले दीटा हेड पॉइंट टेल पॉइंट गोटे पॉइंट रे टच हेबे नहीं. जदि टच हेबे ताहले हम सेठी जगह रे केबे हेले एंगल कैलकुलेट करि परिबा नहीं. केतोळे हम कैलकुलेट करिबा, जदि दीटा वेक्टर रो टेल पॉइंट कंसीडर करो कोन जॉइंट हुंती गोटे पॉइंट रे, ताहले हम से जगह रे स्मॉलर एंगल कैलकुलेट करि परिबा. तो चिंता करो पिले, मु जदि ए एंगल को बढ़े दिए, ए वेक्टर को बी वेक्टर को जदि बढ़े दिए, को डायरेक्शन रे बढ़ेबी, ए डायरेक्शन रे बढ़िबो. So that is C vector and this is the B vector. So what is the angle between B vector and C vector? At that case देखो, B जब मैं extend कर ली, parallel shifted कर ली B vector को, same as like as before problem, like between A vector and B vector. So B vector को जब को angle को बढ़े ली, तो at that case the two vector whose tail points are connected at the origin. So and they are coincide with each other, means सेमाने कौन हले, B और C कौन हला गोटे डायरेक्शन रे गले. ये जो डायरेक्शन रे गला, ये भी से डायरेक्शन गले. B C both are along same direction रे गले. देखो ना, ये 45 डिग्री, ये 45 डिग्री. तो what is the angle between B vector and C vector? The angle between B vector and C vector is कितना पिले? is 0 degree. केता चला कहीं कि ना, ये भी 45 करूची, ये भी 45 करूची, बुझ परछु ना. तो सेंटर रीजन रे जाउची, तो एमान भितर एंगल केते 0. क्लियर? केते डिग्री पिले 0 degree. So these are the problems which are based on direction by using 3 points which are related to the vector. First point is, okay, the vector which rotate through a certain angle, that is 360 degree or 2 pi radian, so that the vector could not change their position. Okay. Second thing is the vectors which are shifted parallelly. Third thing is, if two vectors are joined their tail points, at that case we have to calculate the smaller angle. Otherwise we could not calculate the smaller angle. Are you getting my point? So these are the 3 points which are related to the vector. After that, by using 3 points, we have to calculate the 3 problems. Clear? Please note it. Now I will discuss about the number of vectors which are related to vector. Or there are different types of vector which are related to vector. So different types of vectors are there. One is equal vector, second one is negative vector, third one is parallel vector, other one is anti-parallel vector, fifth one is co-initial vector, co-planar vector, co-linear vector, okay, concurrent vectors. These are the vectors, okay, and they are categorized by different way. Okay, now I'll discuss this one. Now I'll discuss about different types of vector. First one is equal vector. इक्वल वेक्टर कौन पे जनरली आम कह ओडिया इक्वल जार कि वेक्टर इन द सेंस जार कि मैग्नीट्यूड थिबो आ कौन थिबो डायरेक्शन थिबो तार अर्थ इक्वल वेक्टर इन द सेंस दोज वेक्टर टू वेक्टर्स लिखि परिबा टू वेक्टर्स आर सेड टू बी इक्वल इफ देयर मैग्नीट्यूड एज वेल एज डायरेक्शन magnitudes becomes equal and they are directed along the same direction, so they are behaves as a equal vector. So two vector whose magnitude are equal and they are directed along same direction. Clear play? Two vector whose magnitudes are equal and they are directed along same direction. Suppose this is the vector A and this is the vector B. Okay, play? That is the length of the vector, that is the length of the vector B. Okay, that means that length represents as a magnitude, that length represents as a magnitude. So that if A vector equal to 2 cm, B vector is also magnitude is also 2 cm and their direction in same direction. So represent this one. Okay, so here you write magnitude of A vector equal to 2 cm, magnitude of B vector equal to 2 cm. Okay, so these is a vector magnitude कहते हैं 2 cm and they are directed along same direction. Okay, that means A vector mode which is equal to B vector mode. Okay, and also A vector which is equal to B vector. तार तो कौन ए माने पार्टिकुलर ये जो डायरेक्शन जाउची ये भी सो डायरेक्शन जाउची आर मैग्नीट्यूड जते आर मैग्नीट्यूड तेणु ए वेक्टर को कहबा इक्वल वेक्टर बोली कहबा. प्लीज नोट इट. सेकंड थिंग इज नेगेटिव वेक्टर. Negative vector means if two vectors whose magnitudes are equal but they are acted in different direction. That means if two vector whose magnitudes are equal but the direction of one vector which is opposite to that of other vector, but the direction of first vector opposite to that of second vector. That means what? Two vector. So suppose this is the vector A whose magnitudes are equal and this is the vector B. Okay, pile magnitudes. A vector whose magnitude 2 cm, B vector whose magnitude 2 cm. But their direction, a right side direction gala, a left side direction asila. So both are in opposite direction, but their magnitude, ye jetiki length ro, ye setiki length ro, tenu aku kaiba negative vector. Note it quickly. Next one is parallel vector. So what do you mean by parallel vector? If two vectors whose magnitude either equal or not equal, but they are acting in same direction, that means there is an angle between two vector is 0 degree. Means parallel vector means if two vector whose magnitude may or may not be equal, but the angle between two vector is 0 degree, and they are acted in same direction, and they are acting along same direction. That means suppose this is the vector A and this is the vector B, and this is the vector A and this is the vector B. If two vectors are equal or may not be equal, ये इक्वल हेला हबो मैग्नीट्यूड टा किंबा नो इक्वल हेले भी चलिबो, किंतु एमान भितर एंगल केते डिग्री 0 डिग्री. सो थीटा इक्वल केते डिग्री फिले 0 डिग्री, and they are acting along same direction. Clear? So they are behaves as a parallel vector. Clear? Note it. Anti-parallel vector. Two vector whose magnitude whose magnitudes may or may not be equal, but the angle between two vector is 180 degree. Two vector, suppose this is the A vector and this is the B vector, okay, and this is the B vector, okay. Both are in opposite direction, so that their angle is theta equal to 180 degree. So that type of vector behaves as a anti-parallel vector. Please note it. Next point is co-initial vector. What do you mean by co-initial vector? Vector whose initial point is fixed. Vectors whose initial point is fixed or common. That type of vector is known as co-initial vector. Suppose this is the initial point, this is a vector A vector, this is a B vector, this is a C vector. So this is the initial point, that is common point, okay. So that type of vector is known as co-initial vector. Clear? B vector, A vector. So this is the common point. That is called co-initial vector. Next thing is collinear vector. Collinear vector means what? Those vectors whose magnitude may or may not be equal, but they are acting along common line of action or parallel in a straight line. So those vector whose magnitude may or may not be equal, but they are acting along common line of action. Suppose, so if you represent, this is the dotted line where we represent in that direction, in that case, so this is the common line of action. Here this is a vector A and this is a vector B. Okay, their magnitudes are may or may not be equal, but they are acting along the direction in a common line. गोटे लाइन रे सेमान जाउछन सेमाने गति करछ और parallel in a straight line, so they are behaves parallel in a particular straight line. Okay, so that type of behaves as a collinear vector. So those vector whose magnitudes may or may not be equal, that means that is a vector A vector and that is B vector whose magnitude and whose magnitude both are different. Okay, may or may not be equal, may equal hel habo no equal hel habo, किंतु सेमान कोन करछन गोटे डायरेक्शन रे गति करछन. So they are acting along common line of action or parallel in a straight line. That is the parallel in a straight line. Okay, or common line of action बोली कहा जाय. गोटे डायरेक्शन रे जदि सेमान गति करछन ता कहा जाय common line of action. That is the common line of action. Okay, please note it. So the next thing is coplanar vector. So coplanar vector means कौन? Two vectors which are placed on a plane. Two vector are lying on a plane. Okay, that type of vector is known as coplanar vector. If you assume, suppose this is x-axis, this is the y-axis. Here this is the vector, this is the vector, and that two vector A vector and B vector both are representing on a common plane. गोटे प्लेन रे अछन, that is the x and y. They are behaves as a xy plane. Okay, xy plane रे A vector अछि, B vector अछि. Okay पिले, so ए प्रकार वेक्टर को कहबा कोप्लानर वेक्टर बोली कहबा. Clear? Next thing is localized vector. What? Localized vector. So localized vector means कोन? Two vectors whose initial point is fixed. Two vector whose initial point is fixed or tail point is fixed. That means that localized vector behaves as a co-initial vector. Okay, कहीं आमे co-initial vector पढ़िथिले कोन? the number of vector whose initial point is common or fixed. So localized vector whose initial point is fixed. So localized vector behaves as a co-initial vector. Okay, so two vector whose initial point is fixed, known as localized vector. So this is the A vector and this is the B vector. So A vector, B vector both are connected at a particular point and their tails are connected. That is called fixed point. Clear? Then as a non-localized vector. Please note it. Non-localized. Non-localized means those vector whose initial point are not fixed. So that type of vector behaves as a what? Non-localized vector, like that. This is vector, this is a vector. So their initial point is not fixed. Our initial point 8, our initial point 8. So that type of vector behaves as is not fixed. Okay, those vector whose initial point is not fixed. That means A vector and B vector whose initial point not fixed. That is the initial point, that is the initial point. Both are randomly is there. So their initial point is not fixed. Okay, so there behaves as a non-localized vector. Next thing is modulus of a vector. So modulus of vector means the magnitude of a vector called modulus of vector. So magnitude of a vector, suppose A is a vector whose modulus, which represent its magnitude of A vector. Clear? So that represent modulus. যদি A vector नबा A vector কোন সূচাইব? Only direction সূচাইব as well as magnitude সূচাইব. আমু যদি খালি magnitude দরকার তাহলে আমি কোন করি দুই সাইডে দুইটা লাইন দিয়ে দেবা তাকে কয়া modulus. So magnitude of A vector. Clear? পরিমাণକୁ সূচাইব. Next thing is unit vector. Unit vector means this is the very important vector. Okay, and that type of vector which are used in many purposes. So unit vector means those vector whose magnitude is unity. The vector whose magnitude is unity. Unity means one. कौन है थिबो? जो vector की तार magnitude केते थिबो परिमाण एक थिबो. And that vector whose direction along the direction of given vector. And whose direction along the direction of given vector. That means कोन? Suppose जे कोनसी vector देइथिबो, okay, से vector ର direction रे a unit vector show करेबो. Okay, so whose magnitude is unity and whose direction along the direction of given vector. तार अर्थ लगा. unit vector, it is denoted by a cap, or that symbol represents cap. Okay, that notation represent cap or hat. Okay, so it is not a vector. So that cap can be represented as its formula. So formula of unit vector, that is a cap, if you represent, that means a vector divided by and their magnitudes. Clear? So that unit vector, which can be represented as a given vector and the direction along that given vector with magnitude, that magnitude becomes divided to that given vector. Okay, so this is the formula of unit vector. Please, this is the important point, that is the unit vector, which are used in several topics. Okay, so unit vector can be represented as a cap, whose formula is a vector by a vector of modes. So whose magnitude is unity. So this is the magnitude, a vector divided of mode, that is called a modulus of a vector, that can be represented as 1, and that unit vector along the direction of given vector. A vector जोड़े जाउची ये ताकू नोटिफाई करिवो से डायरेक्शन रे. Clear पिले? That is called unit vector. Next thing is null vector or zero vector. Null vector कौन? A vector whose magnitude is 0 and it has arbitrary direction. A vector whose magnitude is 0 but it has arbitrary direction. So what do you mean by null vector? Null vector or zero vector means a vector whose magnitude is 0. कार थिबो magnitude के थिबो 0. Okay, magnitude केते 0, but it has a arbitrary direction. किंतु आर कोन होचे number of direction थिबो, ये जोड़ भी जाई परिबो. Clear? Like as suppose this is the point. So point is the example of null vector. So point whose dimension is 0 or magnitude is 0, but its direction is arbitrary, like that. Clear play? So this is the arbitrary direction. Direction. Zero magnitude. Point. So that is the arbitrary direction and zero magnitude. Clear? So this is overall different types of vector. Okay. So that null vector which are used in many topics, like is cross product, which are used null vectors. So when we discuss about cross product, at that case we have to represent the total representation of null vector. Clear? So this is the overall representation of, okay, some point related to the vector and different types of vector. If any doubt, then ask me. Clear play? So please like, share and comment my video and subscribe to it. Okay, thank you.